Welcome back everyone to this Academy of Mathematics. My name is Courage and this is Courage Mathematics Academy. This is our first video on coordinate geometry. So if this is your first time of joining us, hit on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updated whenever I upload videos on the same subject. So let's start with this particular one, distance between 2 points. Given 2 points, A and B, with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. That is, this first coordinate belongs to this first point and the second coordinate belongs to the second point. The distance between the points can be gotten as shown below. So let's see how we're going to get the distance between these 2 points. And thereafter, the formula will be used to solve the question that we have right here on the board. Now, 2 points, A and B. So let's say these are the points. These are the points. Now, the coordinates of the points are x1, here's x1, y1, and here is we have x2, y2. So let's see how we're going to get distance between these 2 points. Now let's trace down. This is for the x-axis and this is for the y-axis. So for this x-axis, the change will be x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. And this for the y-axis is y2 minus y1. Now, the distance between the points is from A to B. So let's call that D. That is this line now. These are the 2 points, A and B. So the distance between them, let's call it D. This is a right angle triangle. We have formed a right angle triangle. And by Pythagoras rule, we can get the value of D. Look at it. D squared is equal to this distance squared, that's x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. y2 minus y1 squared. That's Pythagoras rule. This is the hypotenuse, and these 2 sides are the adjacent side. Pythagoras rule says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. Yes, this square is equal to the square of this and this plus the square of this. That's what we got it. So we are looking for D as the distance. So taking the square root of both sides, we have the square root of D squared is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So the square will take away the square root. D is left. We have the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So this is the formula that is used to calculate for the distance between 2 points having their coordinates. So let's apply this formula to solve this question. So solution. We are asked to find the distance between the point P with coordinate 3, 2, minus 2 and the point Q with coordinates minus 4, 5. Now take note that this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is what? y2. Yes. So the distance will be the square root of, the formula says x2 minus x1 squared. So we have x, that's minus 4, minus x1 is 3 squared, plus it says y2 minus y1. y2 is 5, minus y1 is minus 2. So minus 2 all squared. So the distance is equal to this. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 all squared. Plus 5 minus minus 2 is 5 plus 2. That's what? 7 also squared. This gives us what? Root. 7 squared is 49. And 7 squared is also 49. So we have this. 49 plus 49 is 98. 98. And so 98 can be reduced to 7 root 2. So the distance between these 2 points is 7 root 2. So this is all I have for you for now. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I'll see you in the next video on coordinate geometry. Subscribe.